Okay, so what we're doing is we are trying to refine a list. So we have a list right here, and we're trying to refine the data. So the first thing I do, I take the phone number, I paste it in Google. I don't see, in this case, I don't see a Google business profile for them. So normally I would skip this, but in this case, I did check them. I see the reviews right here. So it turns out it's a franchise. How do I know it's a franchise? Well, you see they have a nice website, and if you go down here to the bottom, you're gonna see it says start a franchise. So I believe they have multi locations here. So let's check on their location. So it shows right here locations. If we, it seems like they are mainly in this one area. View all locations. Here we go. Okay, so they have all these locations. So athlete 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. So about 30, give or take. So what we want to do is we want to put a note here. So first thing, I'm gonna copy this up to here, basically. I'm gonna put this here, and then I'm gonna put multi 30 locations franchise. Okay, and maybe you can put nice look. In this case, we know because it's a franchise, a big company, we know they're gonna have a nice website. So but you can put it just in case, nice website. Okay, so then we'll move on. Okay, so over here, I'm not gonna look for the owner's name, because it's gonna be hard. It's a franchise, so you wouldn't wanna look for the owner's name. But in this case, I mean, I found it quickly, so I'm just gonna put it. But that's how I would look if I were working on a smaller company. I would want to know the name of the owner, so that way when they call, it's easy for them to get in touch. In this case, I'll put CEO, and let's move on to the next one. So we'll take the phone number, and okay, so 475 reviews. So if we saw here, the number of reviews said 10. Is it the same one? Looks like it is. So the information was wrong. So I'm gonna, first thing first, copy this. I'm gonna fix this here to say 475. And I'm gonna open the website. Okay, so I don't see they doesn't look like they have multi locations, but the website looks decent. Let's see. Okay, so they have 2 locations I see here, 3 locations. Like Maine, no, 2 locations, Maine and Vermont. So I can copy the email just because I found it quickly. So I'm just gonna throw it in here. You don't have to do the email. If you see it quickly, that's great. No, don't worry about it. I'm gonna put 2 locations. And what else do I want to see here on the website? Okay, for now I'm gonna say 2 locations, and I'm gonna try to see if I can locate the owner's name. Okay, so Locum was founded by, okay, so it seems like they have multiple owners. So I'm gonna leave it for now. Over here, I clearly see it's Jake. I'm gonna just put him. And I'm just gonna put here 2 location, 3 owners. Okay. Sometimes I'm just gonna try this. It's not necessarily that you have to do this. I can put how many trucks does local have. So in this case, they told us 4 trucks. So it seems like, so I'm gonna put that, 2 locations, 4 trucks. Right? It just gives us an idea of the size. So let's see, let's move on. So we only, let me change this color so we know. It's gonna be black. We're only working on this. Okay, I'm going to the next guy. Okay, those have 6 reviews. I'm gonna open them. Nice website. They say here 700. So do they have, yeah, multi locations? I'm gonna put here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 locations. So I'm gonna put here the name of the company. I'm gonna change it, so let me copy actually this whole thing right here, and then I'm gonna change it to the main company name, and I'm gonna put here 752. I'm gonna say okay, so yeah, we saw that. Right, and I'm, let's say we can even fix it to be the main number 61651. Yeah, that's the main number, so we're good there. Store this email here, and we're gonna say how much we said, 12 locations. 12 locations. Okay, I'm not gonna try to look for the owner because obviously they're big, so we will have to figure out what we want to do in terms of how to reach out to the right person. Okay, this one shows me here 11. I see this is a United agent. You see right there it says United agents basically means they're part of a bigger group. So for that case, I'm gonna skip this, and I can even put a cross to it. Okay, so let's keep going. I'm just trying to show you what the different options. So moving to this, it says it's a truck rental. So too small, we don't care. Next. Okay, let's keep it moving. Okay, 15 reviews, moving and storage. Look like a small company. They don't have multi-location, so okay. Yeah, I'm gonna note that. So let's take them. And I'm gonna put it and say small company. I found the email right here. And how many reviews we had? 15. Yeah, that's a, that's a little bigger. Let's see if we can find the owner real quick. Okay, so we don't have that. So we're gonna move on. It's important for us to do it fairly quickly because the list is long. We have about 1,000. Okay. It's 24. Let's see. Nice website. I don't think they have multi locations. But they do service a lot of areas. But yeah, looks good. This one will be straightforward. Just 24 reviews. Okay. I'm gonna put look more. Okay. Let's see a couple more examples. Moving office equipment. I think very small. They're just doing office equipment, 9 reviews. Not our client, so I would just keep it, well, pass on that. As we keep going, you will find some duplicates because different locations, so just keep an eye if you saw it before. Those are very small. They don't even have a website really. I'll just skip them. All right, I think hopefully that makes sense.